Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the very first actions. Install Android Studio and the Flutter SDK, then add the Dart plugin. These provide tooling and code assistance. Once done, set Android Home and install the Android SDK components that Flutter Doctor lists. Run Flutter Doctor now and address any missing items. Doing this early prevents wasted time later. Make sure to accept SDK licenses and restart Android Studio so the IDE picks up your new SDK paths and plugins. You now create and configure the project for development and testing. Use Flutter Create or Android Studio New Flutter Project, then open the Android module to edit build files. Adjust min SDK version and signing configs when preparing for release. Next, configure an Android emulator with the correct API level and image, or connect a real device with USB debugging enabled. Once your device appears in the IDE, make sure the Flutter plugin chooses the correct run configuration, and that hot reload works without rebuild delays. You finish by building, testing, and preparing for common problems. Run the app with Run or Flutter Run and use hot reload to iterate quickly. Hot restart when state needs reset. When performance or widget issues arise, open DevTools to profile and inspect the widget tree while watching Flutter logs for stack traces. If a build error blocks you, try Flutter Clean, invalidate caches in Android Studio, and resync Gradle. This solves most Gradle and cache corruption errors. Rebuild after each step to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.